Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Christian. Today I'm going to do another update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price, because guys, as you can clearly see, it happened exactly as I predicted. We saw a break out of this massive support area of this bear flag, and we're moving straight to the downside. And also guys, we have the confirmation of the SP 500, because if you go and watch my previous videos, you're gonna understand that I told you that if we're gonna move through technicals like this bear flag, and also gonna have the confirmation of this SP 500 reversal back to $4,000 or below $4,000, then the situation is going to become really dramatic. And guys, as you can clearly see, also we broke this massive support area, which right now, if we're going to see a continuation with the daily candle closing under this massive support area, then guys, the situation is gonna flip to extremely bearish. And all of these things, guys, happen because the Fed told us that ultimate level of interest rates likely to be higher than the previously anticipated. I posted also this on my Twitter. That's why guys, it's really important to follow me on Twitter, because I'm updating you whatever happening within a day, as all the patterns that's breaking and all the indicators that's flashing. That's why it's really important to give me a follow on Twitter. And guys, on this video we're going to speak about where we are heading from this position in the short term, mid term, and also for the long term. And if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. Before jumping to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, guys, because with this way you are helping me so much within this journey. And with your very simple process of daily like, daily comments, share with your friends, sharing your social media, you are actually helping me a lot, and appreciate you for this help, support from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everyone. And let's dive straight to the 4-hour time frame to begin our analysis, because we have lots of interesting things to cover out. Initially guys, today we saw that the Feds told us, as I told you before, the ultimate level of interest rates likely to be higher than the previously anticipated. So we're talking for, if not the same rates, we're talking either for an increasement on the rates, which is very bearish. That's why afterwards we saw the SP 500 with a free fall from $4,057 back to and under $4,000, and of course that subsequently made the Bitcoin guys break all the support areas that we had ahead of us. So right now you're gonna clearly see that this bear flag broke at the area of $22,360, and also guys, we broke this massive support area of $22,150, and all we are waiting right now for this support is to close the daily candle under it. Okay, because if this scenario is going to happen, and also we're going to see some more continuation of the dump under close basically to the $21,000, then the situation is going to become extremely bearish, because we're going to start a formation of a downtrend movement, especially guys if we're going to touch the area of $20,000. So let's take the things from the beginning, because here we have the bear flag in the short time frame, which if we're going to move through technicals from time to time, and also if the SP 500 of course gonna collapse straight to the $3,800, then guys you're gonna clearly see that because of this bear flag we have a technical price target at the area of $20,750. So I believe of course that we can get there very easily, especially if we're gonna close this daily candle under this yellow line, this massive support area, which was a very strong base of this uptrend movement, which I called it from the first time that this kind of a bull action is actually guys a bull trap. And actually it was the biggest bull trap that we have ever experienced, and my justification for that kind of a bull trap guys, which was going against the moon boys, it was because guys fundamentally we are extremely bearish. And I told you hundreds of times that because the global economy is on an emergency situation, and we have all these high rates, all this inflation, and all these bad things, probably gonna see furthermore roastings in the next coming weeks and months. And as you can clearly see right now, I have been confirmed for what I had told you the previous weeks, the previous months, and right now we are heading straight probably guys to a recession. And if this scenario is gonna play out, we're talking for the worst case scenario for the Bitcoin price, and of course for the stock market, which as you can clearly understand it's correlated a lot. So let's say the scenario that we are going into the maximum pain for the Bitcoin price, guys, as you know, is exactly this path. I told you also many weeks ago that we're gonna form this descending broadening wedge exactly as I'm waiting for. I believe that we're gonna see straight week by week a decreasement on the price of the Bitcoin, some consolidation, sideways move, of course, around in the middle, but I believe that we're gonna come back to this support to retest this descending broadening wedge support area, and then we're gonna see a reversal, and with this reversal we're gonna break every resistance that we're gonna have ahead of us. Okay, and if you remember also, I told you that the time that we're gonna break this massive support area, which was the previous bottom, the previous base of the bull run. Okay, it was exactly this $30,000 orange line. If we're gonna break this guy's $30,000 orange line, then we're gonna jump into the bull run. Okay, that time that we're gonna break and stay above this $30,000 area is gonna be the time that me personally, as Chris, I'm gonna tell you that right now the bull run just began. Until then, I remain bearish. Okay, no matter if we're gonna break the $25,000, that famous resistance area, I don't care, guys. If we won't break this orange line, I remain bearish. Okay, but I don't think that we're gonna see again upwards movement close to $30,000. I believe from this area that we are standing right now, we're gonna see only a downtrend movement, which is gonna lead us back to the worst case scenario, which, as I told you, I'm gonna repeat it again, is the 12,000 within $16,000 area. Okay, also let's speak, guys, for the technical price targets, because if we zoom out on this chart, you're gonna see I have two basic support areas, which is the first one is the $21,500, is really strong support area. I believe, guys, to be honest with you, if we're gonna break the $22,000 area, we're gonna see something like a free fall to this $21,500 area, and also if we're gonna break this massive support, we're gonna see another free fall to the $20,400 area. Okay, I believe that we're gonna move into free falls to these two strong support areas, and of course, if we're gonna break the $20,400 area, then, guys, the situation is gonna become extremely dramatic. We're gonna get back to $18,000, $17,000, $15,000, and etc. Okay, so from technical side, guys, as I told you yesterday and of course the previous days, we are extremely bearish, and after this massive news, and of course with the rejection and the breakout confirmation, the indicators would be even more bearish than there was previously. As we can clearly see, the 3-day MACD, guys, is extremely bearish. As we can clearly see, we're talking for a really bearish situation for the MACD. Also, in the 4-hour time frame, I would like to show you again the death cross that happened on exponential moving average 50 and 200, which, as you can clearly see, it happened yesterday here. And guys, the EMA ribbon is bearish on the 12-hour time frame. As you can clearly see, is flipping bearish. If we're gonna see furthermore dump for the Bitcoin price, we're gonna see a clearly bearish the EMA ribbon on the 12-hour time frame. And also, guys, the super trend indicator is bearish on the 12-hour time frame. Okay, and you can clearly see and you can clearly understand, guys, that right now the situation is extremely bearish in everything. Technically, fundamentally, from indicators, everything, guys, is right now extremely bearish. So our attention right now, guys, it will be still on the SP 500, because if the SP 500 gonna do a collapse under $3,800, then Bitcoin, guys, is gonna do a very big huge free fall back to very low numbers. And also, guys, the Dixie right now is strengthening, which is an indication that the SP 500 is gonna crash, and also Bitcoin is gonna crash. As more the Dixie is pumping, then the opposite happening for the SP 500, and then subsequently for the Bitcoin price. Okay, this is exactly what I would like to tell you. Something as a general suggestion, guys, take this kind of a crash, because I believe this is going to be the last crash, the last capitulation that's about to happen in the next coming weeks and months. Take this crash, guys, as an opportunity to accumulate as many Bitcoin as possible and as many altcoins as possible, because afterwards in the Q4 I believe we're gonna start building the bullish territory, and you're gonna build crazy gains, guys, in the next bull run by accumulating on these periods of Q2 and Q3. Of course, if you're gonna see the last crash on these periods, but if you're gonna see, guys, the crash, take it as your last wealth opportunity, okay, and accumulate as many as possible. This is exactly the video. I hope you enjoy it, guys. Let me know down below in the comment section if you have any question. I will be happy to reply everything, and I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh updates. And until then, follow me on Twitter, and your boy Chris out. Bye.